Hello my dear students from grade 6. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our new video lesson. Topic 13, Lesson 3, Areas of Special Quadrilaterals. My dear students, kindly pay your attention to the following instruction from the teacher. Instruction number 1. Study the video lesson very well. Instruction number 2. To complete your assignments as per the weekly plan, log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Alright? Before going, dear students, bring out your textbook, copybook, pen or pencil, and highlighter pen. Thank you. Alright. I need you to ask some review questions before you will the new lesson. Are you ready? Very good. This is our first review question. Jess has 5 DVDs for every 3 CDs in her collection. Which could describe the number of DVDs and CDs in her collection. 3 CDs in her collection. Which could describe the number of DVDs and CDs in her collection. You have the following options. A. 12 DVDs 20 CDs. B. 15 DVDs 9 CDs. C. 20 DVDs 15 CDs. Great. B. 15 DVDs, 9 CDs. How did you get the answer? Very good. Tess has 5 DVDs for every 3 CDs. So the ratio of the number of DVDs to number of CDs is 5:3. Dear students, I need you to check. If she has 5 DVDs for every 3 CDs. If she has 10 DVDs, then as per the above ratio, she would have 6 CDs. Now 5 plus 5 equals 10 and 3 plus 3 equals 6. If she has 15 DVDs, she would have. Very good. If she has 20 DVDs, how many CDs would she has? Very good. 12 CDs, but not 15 CDs. So choice C is wrong. The correct answer is choice B, 15 DVDs. Today's second review question is. Use the figure for the following questions. A rectangle with length 16 feet and width 6.5 feet is divided through one of its diagonal to get 2 identical triangles. What is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of each triangle? What is the area of the rectangle? Very good. 104 square feet. What is the area of each triangle? Very good. 52 square feet. Okay. Now let's see how we got the answer. Area of the rectangle equals length times width. So to find the answer for question number A, we need to multiply 16 feet by June 5 feet. So, area, A equals 6.5 multiply 16 equals 104 square feet. Alright. My dear students, who will explain the answer for question number B? Great. Area of triangle equals 1/2 times base times height. Equals 1/2 times 16 feet times 6.5 feet. Equals 1/2 of 104. Equals 52 square feet. Okay. Is it clear, dear? Alright. Dear students, for more review questions, you need to log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Take printout, try to find answers and keep the paper in your portfolio. Submit your work to the teacher later. Thank you. Okay, dear students, let's start our today's lesson now. Our objective is, at the end of this video lesson, we will be able to find the areas of special quadrilaterals. Repeat, at the end of this video lesson, we will be able to find the areas of special quadrilaterals. Are you ready? Alright. Here is a question. Try to solve this question and share your answer with me. The question is: the European basketball key was changed from a trapezoid shape to a rectangle in 2010. The diagram shows the shape of the key before 2010 outlined in blue. How could you decompose this shape to find its area? Solve this problem any way you choose. Repeat, the European basketball key was changed from a trapezoid shape to a rectangle in 2010. The diagram shows the shape of the key before 2010 outlined in blue. How could you decompose this shape to find its area? Solve this problem any way you choose. You can use stricture to decompose the trapezoid into shapes you know. You have an answer. Excellent. I decompose the shape into a triangle on the left, a rectangle in the middle, and a triangle on the right by drawing two vertical lines. Area of triangle 1 plus area of rectangle plus area of triangle 2 equals area of the trapezoid. The answer for look back on page 671. The question is: how can you decompose the kite into shapes you know, to find its area? Explain. Very good. You can decompose the kite into two identical triangles. The triangles have a base of 12 feet and a height of 3 feet. I can find the area of each triangle and then add them to find the area of the
How can you find the areas of special quadrilaterals? Think about this question during the lesson. The pasture is in the shape of a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. What is the area of the pasture?
Let's find out.
What do you know about the top and bottom sides of the trapezoid? The top and bottom sides of the trapezoid are parallel. You can use structure by decomposing the trapezoid into a rectangle and triangles. How can you decompose this trapezoid into a rectangle and two triangles? Draw two line segments from the top vertices that are perpendicular to the base. Find the length of any missing base or height. How can you find the base of the triangle on the right? Subtract the sum of 10 yards and 4 yards from 18 yards. Find the area of each shape. What is the area of each triangle? The area of each triangle is 24 square yards. Find the area of each shape as shown. Add the areas of the triangles and the rectangle. The area of the pasture is 168 square yards. Now you know how you can find the areas of special quadrilaterals.
Alright. Now tell me the answer for convince me question. How would you decompose this trapezoid to find its area? Find the area of the trapezoid. Very good. You can decompose the trapezoid into a rectangle and a triangle. Then find the areas of the shapes and add them together. H equals 6.25 multiply 5 equals 31.25 square feet. Area of triangle equals 1/2 bh equals 1/2 times 5 times 5 equals 12.5 square feet. Area of trapezoid equals 31.5 equals 43.75 square feet. Okay, dear students, now let's try guided practice questions. We will try all questions. I need you to tell me the answers to each question. Okay. Guided practice, part 1, do you understand? Question number 1. Draw a line to divide the path of triangles. What are the measures of the bases and the heights of the two triangles? Very good. One triangle's base 10 yards and the other has a base of 18 yards, both have a height of 12 yards. Very good. Now, number 2. In another example, page of your textbook, how could you use 4 triangles to find the kite's area? Very good. Find the area of each triangle and add the areas. Okay, now, guided practice part 2, do you know how? Read direction, in 3 and 4, find the area of each shape. 3. Good. Answer for number 3 is 120 square meter. Who can explain how you got this answer? Excellent. Area equals area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Equals 12 meters multiply 8 meters plus 1/2 of 8 meters multiply 6. Equals 96 square meters plus 1/2 of 48 square meters. Equals 96 square meters plus 24 square meters. Equals 120 square meters. Is that clear? Very good. Now what will be the answer for number 4? Very good. Square feet. How did you get the answer? Excellent. Use the formula to find the area of triangles. Decompose the shape to 2 triangles with triangle number 1, base, 6 plus 6 or 12 feet. Height, 9 feet. Triangle feet, height, 8 feet. Area of triangle 1 equals 1/2 of 12 times 9. Equals 1/2 of 108. Equals 54 square feet. Area of triangle 2 equals 1/2 of 12 times 8. Equals 1/2 of 96. Equals, so the area of the shape equals 54 square feet plus 48 square feet. Equals 102 square feet. Very good. Okay dear students, now your turn. Find the answer for questions 5, 6, and 7 together. Now, read the direction. Well, have you get the answers? Very good. The answer for question number 5 is 120 square centimeters. Alright, before going to make the answers for number 6 and 7, let's watch a video.
This is a trapezoid. We are going to use what we know about finding the area of a rectangle and the area of a triangle to find the area of this trapezoid. We can decompose a trapezoid into a rectangle and 2 triangles. Then we can find the area of each shape and then find the sum of the areas. Before we find the area of each shape, we need to find some missing measurements. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in measure, so the side opposite the length of this rectangle equals 8 yards. The side opposite the width equals 6 yards. The 3 measures along the base of the trapezoid must add up to 17 yards. The 2 measures we know add up to be 13 yards. We can subtract 13 yards from the total length, 17 yards. We discover that the third measure equals 4 yards. Let's start finding the area of the left triangle. Its base is 5 yards. Its height is 6 yards. So its area is 1/2 times 5 times 6, which equals 15 square yards. Next, we will find the area of the rectangle. Its length is 8 yards. Its width is 6 yards. Remember, the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. The area of this rectangle is 8 times 6, which equals 48 square yards. Now for the area of the right triangle. It has a height of 6 yards and a base of 4 yards. So its area is 1/2 times 4 times 6, which equals 12 square yards. Now, to find the total area of the trapezoid, we find the sum of all three areas. 15 plus 48 plus 12 equals 75. So the area of the trapezoid equals 75 square yards.
Okay, dear students. Answer for number 6 is, very good, 32 square centimeters. Answer for number 7 is, 105 square feet. Excellent. Okay students, now let's try some problem-solving questions. Please turn to page number 674 of your textbook. Okay. Our first problem-solving question is, number 11. Mary is creating a pattern using 14 of the tiles shown, of the entire pattern. Again, Mary is creating a pattern using 14 of the tiles shown. What is the area of the entire pattern? What is your answer? Very good. 616 square centimeters. Okay, let's explain. Left, one triangle on the right and a rectangle in the middle. Both the triangles have the same dimensions, because, of the two parallel sides of the trapezoid, the length of the shorter side is 8 centimeters. So when subtracting 8 centimeters from 11, the length of the longer side, 11 centimeters, we get 8 centimeters. That means both the triangles have the same dimensions, base 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. Area of the triangles equals 2 times 1/2 of 3 times 4. Equals 2 times 1/2 of 12. Equals 2 times of 6. 12 square centimeters. Now area of the rectangle equals length multiply width. Equals 4 times 8. Equals 32 square centimeters. So the total area of the shape is 12 plus 32. Equals 44 square centimeters. So the area of the entire 18 times 44 square centimeters equals 616 square centimeters. Clear. Now, let's have a higher order thinking question. Our question is: a craftsman wants to build this fiddle. We needs to know the area of the face of the fiddle. How could he use the measurements shown to find the area? Use your strategy to find the areas of the face of the fiddle. Excellent. Let's see how. The face is in the shape of a trapezoid, so decompose to find the area. The areas of the face of the fiddle is 47,759 square millimeters. Area of each triangle equals 1/2 bh equals 1/2 times 69.5 times 326 equals 11328.5 square millimeters. Area of both the triangle equals 2 times 11,328.5 equals 22,657 square millimeters. Area of the rectangle equals 326 times 77 equals 25,102 square millimeters. Area of the trapezoid equals 22,657 plus 25,102 equals 47,759 square millimeters. Clear. Good. Okay, dear students, tell me the answer for our last question today. The question is: Mariki is making a large table in the shape of a trapezoid. She needs to calculate the area of the table, She is making the longest side of the table twice as long as the table's width. Part A. Write numbers in this lines to show the missing dimensions. Very good. 1.5 meters, and 2.5 meters. Part B. What is the area of the table? Excellent. 2.5 square meters. How? Use the formula to find the area of a trapezoid. Area equals A plus B divided by 2 multiply by H. Equals 1.5 plus 2.5 divided by 2 multiply by 1.25 equals 2 times 1.25. Equals 2.5 square meters. Good. Okay dear students, we did it. It is the end of our today's lesson. I hope you understood all the facts we discussed in this video lesson. So, try to solve the questions on pages 675 and 676 of your math textbook. Thank you. So, until the next video lesson, see you. Bye.